Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode of Arabia Unboxing Lego special unboxing editions, where I'm gonna unbox a Lego set, build it through a time lapse, give you some cool facts about the set, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Today I have the Tuxedo Cat, which is a Lego idea set numbered 057. It's not a huge set, it's 1,710 pieces, and as you can see, it's a cat, so one for all cat lovers. A rather big build because it's about 32 centimeters in height, so that's about 12.5 inches, and 24 centimeters in width, so that's about 9.5 inches. That is a Lego idea set, which means that the idea was basically created and submitted to the Lego fan community and to Lego by a Lego fan, such as you guys and me. Inside, normally in the build booklet, we'll find more information about the person who had the idea. But Lego ideas is like usually, you get a cool idea, you submit it, you share it with the community, you get support. Lego reviews it, and if they approve it, bam, there's a new product. So one for all the cat lovers, the Tuxedo Cat. So I read up about the Tuxedo Cat. As you know, I am a cat lover. I have a cat, Crypto. She often jumps right up in here during my videos, and there she is. This is a Tuxedo Cat. So Tuxedo Cats are not a breed. They're called like this mainly because of their coloring, which reminds of a tuxedo. And gives them a certain class, I guess. I'll get more information about Tuxedo Cats during the build. We'll put some there, but apparently I've read up, and they're a nice breed, playful breed, very nice. Crypto is not a Tuxedo Cat. Crypto is a calico cat. Yes. And so we're gonna unbox this set and see what's inside of it, and then build it for you guys. So since it is one of the newer sets, as we can see, Lego has, and well done for them, moved on to totally paper bags, so no more of these plastic bags in all these new sets. I actually like these bags better because you can see the numbering better. Here we have the building instructions. So they actually have the cat backwards up in there, and then I guess if we open it, like I mentioned in the beginning, you can meet the fan designer. So here it's Damien Andres, known to the Lego Ideas community as the Yellow Brick. So a technical product design student who designed this cat. We can see here they show us Damien's original submission, which is inspired by his cat Miro. There we go. So that was the original idea. We'll just dive into the build and the time lapse. We'll get, as usual, some cool facts about Tuxedo Cats for all you cat lovers, and I'll see you at the other end of the build. Let's go. and there we go. Finally done, the Tuxedo Cat. Very nice final product, a very nice build. I actually really enjoyed building that, as you can see from the time lapse, and hopefully you learned a bit more about what we call Tuxedo Cats. There's Crypto, who's already jealous of the cat, apparently. You've seen her a lot during the time lapse. So, Crypto, no. So the cool thing is, for the build, you get two options. You get the option to have the mouth open like this, and then you can have the option to have it with the mouth closed, just as you get the option to have blue eyes or brown, yellow, goldish color eyes. So I chose the blue eyes and the mouth a bit half open. I thought it was cool because you see the tongue. So a bit more about the build here. You can kind of like move the legs around. The head is mounted on a swivel, so you can move it around, just as well as the ears a bit, so you can kind of like position it the way you want to. And I'll get you some close-ups. A cool thing about that, which actually it doesn't really show you on the box. So on the box it kind of shows you about the swivel and the different positions for the mouth and the coloring of the eyes, is kind of like a secret compartment, maybe, I don't know. Like, so here you go. If you do this, and you have that part here, which, because you notice during the build, it's kind of like mounted on the swivel. So I don't know, I guess you can open it, put some things in. Oh, probably maybe keep, keep the mouth and eyes inside of it. So, or either like really a cool secret compartment. Cool build, one for the cat lovers, definitely. I think it's gonna find a good place in the collection here somewhere. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the facts that I put during the time lapse. And I do recommend this build. It's a really cool one, especially for the cat lovers. I'll see you next time in another one of Arabia Unboxing's Lego videos. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, so you don't miss any. By the way, we've also started putting out like weekly meme review videos. These are cool. I'll put a link as well for those. They come out like weekly, more or less, a bit more. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. In the meantime, bye. Crypto, no, come here, baby. Yes, come here. Bye, guys.